Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome aboard the Royal Prince of the Red and White Fleet. We're glad to have you on board today. As we depart at first, we'll start indicating duration, and we ask you to pay particularly close attention to the safety aspects of that duration. We'll be on the open San Francisco Bay, and it get quite rolly out there, especially underneath the Golden Bridge. So please be prepared to take a seat or grab a handful of utilize. Also, please refrain from running on the decks, standing on the benches, or hanging over the railings. Working those decks with the renters on, we have Edwin and Richie. They'll also be happy to take pictures or answer any questions for you. At the back of the boat, behind the bar, the most important position, the lovely and talented Brett. Make sure you visit Brett. Maybe grab one of our holiday special Loco Cocos for the chilly afternoon trip. And folks, the city of San Francisco does require a face mask if you are inside the cabin of the vessel. If, however, you're on the outer decks, you do not need your mask, but please, if you are inside the cabins, have your mask ready. My name is Mike, the captain. Thanks, and we'll be departing shortly.
Nena notte que te los zapatos.
Welcome aboard San Francisco's historic red and white fleet. We've been sailing these waters for over 100 years, so prepare yourselves for an adventure. On our cruise today, I'll be telling you about my hometown, San Francisco. It was voted the #1 tourist destination in America. Look around, and you'll know why. We're going to cruise along the city now under the Golden Gate Bridge. On the way back, we'll explore the other side of it, Marin County, and take a close-up look at the rock of Alcatraz Island. But first, as our captain finishes pulling our boat out of the dock,